Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So today, what we're gonna be doing is we're finally about to be taking my little cousin and dropping him off at school in the LSA 350Z. You guys know that I have two 350Zs, and as of lately, I've been dropping him off in the more stockish, I guess you could say, 350Z. For those that don't know, currently my little cousin just moved out here, moved him out from Oakland, out here to where I'm at, just a better environment, better schooling, you know, a better shot. So I got him out here with me. Good kid, like, granted the little nigga's damn near a 4.0 student. So, you know, I just wanted to get him out of the environment because he had already started getting into some like little BS stuff. So, you know, getting him away from the negative influence and bringing him out here, that way it's just like, all right, here, you know, you're away from everybody, you're away from all the dumb shit. Now you can focus on school, focus on sports. Long as you're out here with me, I'm gonna give you everything you want. We gonna have fun. Just, you know, keep them grades up and be active. That's all I'm asking for. For the new people, we do have this Z. This is our stockish Z. Obviously, it has a full kit. It's lowered on wheels, coilovers, and the whole shebang. Little basic setup. Like, overall, it is a super little fun car. I've been taking him to school in this. He really likes this car. But today, I'm gonna be pulling out the Big Dad, which is my LSA wide body 350Z. For those that are familiar with the channel, y'all already know the rundown on this thing. It's basically a fully built Texas speed motor with a ported Synergy LSA supercharger and a ported Schnaut and the whole shebang. So, you know, has all the goodies, makes all the cool sounds, etc., etc. And I know this little fool wants me to pick him up in this car, so today we're gonna be picking him up in this. He's like just adamant on wanting to be picked up in cool things, and I get it. I remember being a young kid and wanting to be dropped off and picked up in a dope car, so I understand where he's coming from. So, you know, today we're gonna give him a ride in that. Right now I'm gonna go drop him off in the Turborado, and then yeah, later on today we're gonna go swoop him up in this right here. So hopefully you guys are gonna enjoy it. We'll see what his reaction is. We'll see what happens. Maybe we'll see some kids looking at the car or whatever. Maybe he'll feel cool. I don't know what's gonna happen today. All I know is that's what we're getting into. So yeah, let's fast forward to later on. Hopefully he got some leg room because I got parts in here. Did I park this thing with some gas at least? Yeah, we definitely got to get some gas. We got half a tank right now. This window is like slowly dying. You feel cool? Feel cool now? Oh, look at you. Want me to drop you off in this too?
Yep, you drop me off tomorrow in this.
I'm gonna need $30 for gas.
It's good. I'm at your mom right now. So come with the $30.
I want him to drop me off in the LSA 350Z. Mom, can you give him $30 for E85? Waiting for what moment?
For all the girls to see me in 350Z. Come on. Like what?
He wants girls to see him in the 350Z. That's what you want?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
That's it? So you gonna pull some little beezies after this?
Oh, I already did. I got too many Instagrams today.
Oh, this child, man.
Look at
This child.
Look at this. That's a whole bunch of girls following me.
This child right here. I'm dead. He really be out here trying to pull little beezies. Oh, God. Look at him like, look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
Go.
Look at me.
Go. Now. Go.
Why? What's right here?
What am I crushing?
Your crush, did she see you? Did she see you?
Look at. Oh, she's looking at the corner.
She looking at you?
She was.
Look at you, Kyrie. Look at you, Kyrie. Look at you, Kyrie.
I am.
Hold this.
I'm here. Oh yeah. Good job. Good job. You passed. Don't give me cousin. You guys the test. No cap. They were like, that's the new kid. Oh.
Oh, you too much, child.
Watch tomorrow. Watch when I go to school tomorrow.
You come in here with some C's, I'm gonna drop a bucket. I'm gonna purposely go buy a clapped out bucket and drop you off at school in.
Who is that?
And I'm gonna put a wig on. I'm gonna look hella goofy.
Trust me. I'm not coming in with no C's. I'm doing good at all my classes right now.
You never rode this car, huh?
I have.
Have you rode in this since it's been supercharged?
Yeah.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have. You picked me up in this car.
Have I?
Yes.
What you think?
It's fast. Fast car?
No,
Really?
my Corvette's still faster than this.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is alright, but it's not my fastest. It's actually still that's what all these parts down here for.
Really?
Yeah, we got a lot left on this car.
You talking about selling me?
Talking about the other one, the gray one.
You're not getting me with that. Bro, at school tomorrow, they gonna be like, is that your car? Your cousin drives that car? Oh my god.
Well, I should have the Corvette back probably at the end of the week or sometime next week. I'll drop you off in the C6.
Good. Drop me off in that order. Oh my. Okay.
You don't get next to me like you trying to see me, little Honda. You don't
Hear what I smoke?
these problems, little Honda. Nigga, don't be running up on us like that.
Right there.
Pulling up, they're trying to pull up next to us. About to get gapped.